After years of virtually stagnant advancement in the bread packaging process, Technopac has at long last perfected a packaging concept that has been favored by the baking industry ever since the introduction of sliced bread. Most bread baking operations have been around long enough to remember the virtues of overwrapping sliced bread, which has long since been replaced by the more consumer-oriented polybag. Today, Technopac can provide the bakery with a much more efficient packaging process while continuing to meet the needs of the consumer. Technopac initially began development with the concept of utilizing roll stock as the source packaging material. The use of roll stock eliminates the costs associated with the manufacture of pre-made and wicketed bags, a machinery and labor-intensive process where quality control, among other things, is left in the hands of others. Roll stock also provides the bakery with additional savings by relieving the general confusion created with corrugated carton inventories. In fact, it can improve warehousing and freight utilization by 33% just in terms of space requirements. Without the need for corrugated cartons, wicked wires, and cardboard supports, significant waste reduction can be realized. For example, based on a volume of 100 million bags, the use of roll stock eliminates 90,000 pounds of waste. This is important to both the environment and the bottom line, since the cost of waste disposal continues to rise. Pre-manufactured and wicketed bags can now be considered a thing of the past. With their wicked loading systems, an operator must continuously monitor and reload. Roll stock, by comparison, will hold 16,000 bag impressions, and with two 20-inch diameter rolls, you now have the potential to package 32,000 loaves of bread, non-stop. Technopac's focus in designing has been on simplicity right from the start. Beginning with the J-folded roll stock, the film passes through a bar assembly and is then gusseted to any size as required. From there, it enters the sealing area, where a uniquely designed hot knife cuts and seals both the leading and trailing edges of the film, creating a bag. This patented hot knife achieves a much stronger seal than those of pre-made bags, and it allows the flexibility of midstream temperature adjustment whenever variations are necessary. The finished bags are then directed horizontally by a vacuum conveyor belt to a precise filling position where air jets open the mouth of the bag. Technopac has anticipated the diversity of various baking operations, where many orders consist of small runs of different labels. In this situation, a built-in wicket holder can be engaged to use pre-made bags for the short production runs. This procedure can then be reversed within seconds to continue with the many roll stock advantages. The overall operational format opens up tremendous opportunities for promotion through the use of a video jet printer. Coupons can now be created on the lip portion of the bread bag, which can be serrated for easy tear-off. The video jet printer can also be used as a pricing billboard anywhere on the bag. Special price promotions to meet competitive situations can be made daily without lead time or inventory of pre-priced bags. A direct reduction of packaging costs. Significant reduction of solid waste and its related costs. 33% better utilization of warehousing and freight space. Hands-on quality control and packaging flexibility. A more appealing package with instant promotion opportunities. These are some of the highlights of what the Technopac bag making and filling system can do to help bring your baking operation to a higher level of efficiency and productivity.